Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students of class 11 and 12 of English version, this is Amjad Hussain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Today I will discuss some problems from exercise 6B of second paper, Higher Mathematics. We follow Systech Publications book. In previous class, you know basic information of ellipse. Here our first problem is example number 5. Find the equation of ellipse whose focus is 1 minus 1. Equation of directrix is x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 and eccentricity is 1 by root 2. Also we have to find the length of its latus rectum. Okay, let us consider the ellipse is like as here focus is given, focus S, this is 1 minus 1 and here directrix M prime, here this is Z and you know L prime, this is the length of latus rectum. Okay, now the equation of directrix, this is M prime and focus, this is 1 comma minus 1, 1 and minus 1, this is the focus. Okay, now let Pxy be any point on the ellipse. Let Pxy be any point on the ellipse. For conic section, we know SP equal E into PM. Here SP is the distance between focus and the point P and E is the eccentricity and PM is the distance, perpendicular distance from Pxy to the directrix. Here directrix is x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So here we can write distance between S and P, this is square root x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square, this equal eccentricity, this is given 1 by root over 2, this into PM, perpendicular distance from P to directrix M prime, this is modulus x minus y plus 2 divided by root over coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, or if we squaring both sides then we get x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square, this equal 1 by 2 into x minus y plus 2 whole square into here 1 and 1, this is 2, or here 2 into 2, this equal to 4, we can write 4 into a minus b whole square, formula of a minus b whole square, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and here y square plus 2y plus 1, this equal, we can write a minus b plus c whole square. This equal a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca minus 2ca plus 2ca, 2 here c equal to 2, a equal to x, or we can write here 4x square plus 4y square minus 8x plus 8y plus 4 to the 8, this equal x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 4y plus 4x plus 4. After simplifying, we can write 3x square plus 3y square plus 2xy minus 12x plus 12y plus 4, this equal to 0, and this is the required equation of ellipse. This is the required equation of ellipse. Okay students, now also we have to find the length of latus rectum of the ellipse. We know the relation between length of latus rectum and distance from focus to directrix is L prime equal to E SZ into SZ. Here SZ is the perpendicular distance from S to directrix. Here SZ, this equal modulus 1 minus 1 plus 2 divided by square root 1 square plus minus 1 square. This equal 4 divided by root over 2. So here we get 2 into E equal 1 by root over 2, and SZ, this equal to 4 divided by root over 2. This equal 4 unit. Therefore length of latus rectum equal 4 unit. This is the answer. Dear students, wish this question is clear to you. Now our second problem. Okay students, now our second problem is example number 6. Here, considering the two main axes of the ellipse as x and y, eccentricity 1 by 3 and the length of latus rectum is 8. We have to find out the equation of ellipse. So here given eccentricity equal 1 by 3 and length of latus rectum, this is 2b square by a, this equal 8. Now let the equation of ellipse be equation of ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square, this equal to 1. Now given e equal 1 by 3, or we know e equal root over 1 minus b square by a square equal 1 by 3. Here we consider length of latus rectum, this is 2b square by a, that means, and this formula is applicable when a is greater than b. For this reason we put here e equal root over 1 minus b square by a square. Okay, now squaring both sides we get 1 minus b square by a square, this equal 1 by 9, or from this we get b square by a square, this equal 1 minus 1 by 9, or from this we get b square equal 8 a square divided by 9. Again, length of latus rectum 2b square by a, this equal 8. From this we can write b square equal 8a divided by 2, or we can put b square equal to 8a square divided by 9, this equal 8a divided by 2, or from this we can write a by 9, this equal 1 by 2, or from this we can write a equal 9 divided by 2. Therefore b square equal, here we can write a square equal 81 by 4. Okay, now b square equal 8 by 9 into a square, that means 81 by 4. So this equal 18. 4 2s are 8, 9 9s are 81, and 9 2s are 18. From 1, putting the value of a square and b square, from 1 we can write x square by a square, that means 81 by 4 plus y square by b square, that means 18, this equal 1, or from this we can write 4x square divided by 81 plus y square by 18, this equal to 1. This is the equation of ellipse. My dear students, wish today's class is clear to you. If you have any problem, you can ask your subject teacher or me. Allah Hafiz. See you again, inshallah.